When creating Docker files, it is sometimes necessary to copy files from host system into the Docker images. These could be any files like native libraries or other static content. The Docker file specification provides two ways to copy files from the source system into image: the copy and add directive. Both of them do the same thing. They copy files into the Docker image, but copy command only copies the local files on your host system to the Docker image, whereas by using add command, instead of giving local file, you can just give the remote URL of a file which will be copied into the Docker image, or you can give the tar files which will be auto extracted into your image. Now, if you use add directive, you can see that there are additional steps, because if you use the add directive, it will create another layer and it will increase the overall Docker image size. So that is why instead of using add directive, you should try to use curl or wget to fetch remote files and remove them when no longer needed, because when you use add directive, it will automatically expand tar files into the image file system. This can reduce the number of Docker file steps required to build an image, but it will just add another layer. So always try to use the copy directive instead of add unless it is absolutely necessary. I hope that this was useful. If you have any insight or comment, please put it in the comment section. Thanks.